What I have here, I have the action camera from. I got this from out of Amazon actually. This is called a SJ4K camera. I purchased this a while ago, man, and I didn't like it. I returned it back to Amazon, and it sent me another one saying give it another try for free. I said I jumped in. Like sure, I'll try it. And it's been like 3 months now since I'm finally getting to open it. And I just opened it actually a few minutes ago, and I just realized, let me just do an unboxing thing with it. Okay, this actually came in here. Okay, it was kind of pain in the butt to take it out, but this came in here. Okay, I already dumped an SD card inside of this thing here, right here somewhere. An SD card inside. Be mindful, there's no touchscreen on this. Okay, I guess that's what makes it much cheaper. I think it's between $75 to maybe 50 to $100. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it. And it has a lot of accessories. It has a little pouch. Come a nice little pouch. Blah blah blah. It's the SJ4 cam on it. SJ cam on it, and has two batteries. As opposed to when you buy the GoPro, you only get one battery. It has a little charger that charges two batteries. A bunch of little adapters to hook it up to you. Little accessories to hook it up to whatever you're trying to use it with. In my case, I'm gonna put it on my scooter. I'm gonna put it on my Duotron scooter. Oh, it does have a. Look at that. It has a SD card. It came with an SD card. It was in the back of the charger. It's an odd place to put it. Okay, and then it has some pamphlets. Has some little books, tiny books. Has a screen cleaner. Oh boy, yeah, screen cleaner. I'm not sure we need all that stuff. Anyhow, last time I had this camera, my reason for returning it, because I straight up, to be honest, I did not like it. I saw the footage. Footage did not look like 4K footage to me, so I returned it, and they say, yeah, give it another try, and I'm going to give it another try. Okay, being that this time it's free, I'm going to give it another try and see. I'm going to hook this up to the front of my scooter, okay? I'm going to have it against a GoPro 10. Might be a GoPro 10, I can't remember. I have three of them, so I have a 9 and a 10 and a DJI Action. I'm going to compare it because the last time I saw the footage side by side, it did not look too good coming out of this camera. So I'm going to, the email me says it's supposed to be better, supposed to be just as good. So I'm going to try it out again, and okay. And obviously there's no touch screen, which would make it a little bit more expensive. Has two buttons on the side here, and up and down buttons. And I guess one of the buttons you use it to send it to to Wi-Fi. I kept thinking Bluetooth. Yeah, this is Wi-Fi. It's looking for Wi-Fi. Okay. To record, I believe you just have to hit this one time. Oh, you change the mode on the 40 megapixel pictures. I don't believe this thing actually does that. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no recording. There's no touch screen, man. It's kind of suck. Okay, let's get out of this. Okay, let's get out of all of that. Now, my question: how do you record with this thing? I just did this a few minutes ago. Oh, that to turn it off. Okay, yeah, that turns it off. Okay, let's turn it back on. Let's turn it back on. Turn back on, my friend. Don't embarrass yourself out here. Alright, let's try this. Let me see if I can record. Try. Okay, right now it's a 2K 30 mode, so let's record something. Wow. How do you put this into record? You just gotta hit the button once. Okay. Alright, there you go. You hit the button one time. The top button here. Hit it one time. And it goes into recorded mode. Alright. Okay. So this is the camera here. Like I said, I got it out of Amazon. If you're interested in buying this camera, you could just go to Amazon and look it up. I'm not sure how much they go for, but they're way cheaper than the GoPros and the DJI. You got to figure out if the type of footage you get out of this, is it worth buying? That'll be something up to you. But I'm going to hook it up to my scooter, like I said, and I'm going to have it compared to my GoPro camera, even my DJI camera. We're gonna see what is the difference. And I'm still questioning whether this is actual 4K, because last time I saw the footage out of it, it did not look too good at all. And I had hooked up an external mic to it, which is a decent mic. It wasn't the most expensive mic. It was a decent mic. I hooked it up to the external or wireless microphone to this. And was it this thing here? You know what? I may be wrong on this. Yeah, I did not hook up. Yeah, this doesn't take I think the last one I had taken an external mic. This one doesn't. This one does not take an external microphone. There's no input for it, and maybe unless through the USB input here, but that's not included here. If it does, it's not included here. I don't see it. All right, but the sound sounded really bad. That much I can say. It did sound pretty terrible. Okay, peace out. Later. All right. I'm going to compare the two. Let's see if this thing's still on. I even put it on record. Nope. 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 Alright. 4K 30. This only go to 4K 30. For some reason I couldn't find a 4K 24. So we're going to compare that. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah, to turn the bike on, the little bike, made the scooter on, and let's get ready to run. But I've been meaning to do this for weeks now, just haven't had the time. So today's the day. All right, bike is on. I'm on mode 3, so let's go. I'm gonna right inside the park, just to make sure. Alright. Trying to get some faces on there as well. Came up. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I almost forgot my glove on the scooter. That'd have been funny. My cheapest and best gloves. It's made in China stuff, man. Wow, there's 4 fingers going in here. Alright, 4 fingers. Let's hope this thing is recording. Alright.
I want to call
There we go. I'm going to try riding a little slow. So that way I'm able to capture certain things with the scooter here. Look at this. Okay, this is Prospect Park. See what the footage look like in here, going from contrasty areas to bright light areas. Okay, first time I got this this camera, the SJ Cam CAM, I didn't like it, and I had compared the footage to my, what do you call it, my GoPro.
Michigan's like a good rivalry where Ohio
whoever sold it to me thought, why are you doing that? Whoever sold it to me thought I was crazy for thinking the camera was broken because it didn't look like 4K at all. It didn't look good at all to me. So I'm gonna compare it again, okay, against one of my GoPro cameras. To tell you the truth, I'm not sure which one I'm using right now because it's in the media mod thing. So as we going through, I'm gonna go all the way Eastern Parkway, and then I'm gonna go all the way Eastern Parkway, and then we're gonna get back to my computer and review it. All right, after that, I'm gonna be on my way to go take care of my other business. Okay, I'm gonna start speeding up a little bit here. There's a bit of traffic right here, so let's go. I'm not going that fast, but there's a lot of people here.
When you come out here at night, it's so peaceful here, man. It's crazy, you know? So I gotta be careful how I ride it, because this thing go pretty fast, but people are not exactly cautious when they're in the park. They're in a peaceful state of mind. Here I go, moving real fast next to them, so I gotta be careful with that. You know? People out here relaxing. Okay. I should have enough footage to compare this camera here. Anyway, you know, I got this out of Amazon. It's unfortunate, the small brand cameras, sometimes when you buy these off-brand cameras from those made in China cameras, you know, it's like some of them they're actually pretty good, and some of them are pretty terrible. You know, damn, those flies, man, they don't miss my helmet for whatever reason. You know, so they got a dog in my back, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, you see what I'm saying out here? There's a lot of traffic. Turn around, somebody's right next to me, riding. What is this guy doing? Why's he riding so close to this guy? Get past these two fools here. I'm almost over where I'm supposed to be at, and then we're gonna head out to Manhattan. Okay, I'm gonna take out the footage, make sure it came out good, and then we're gonna be going on our way. This is a bright daylight, it's about 80 degrees. No, it's about 60, 70 degrees right now. It's gonna shoot up to 80 degrees today. Should be a nice day out. You know, and when I come back, I take the kids to the park for a little walk. And Lord of mercy. Love you. Oops, shouldn't have said that. Alright, so we're gonna review our footage, and that's what's up. Alright, I'm exiting the park. I'm gonna chill for a couple of minutes somewhere here, and then we're gonna head up to Manhattan. Oh, shit. I'm gonna stop the GoPro.